welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am so excited, super excited to announce to you guys about my Grand LS, which will be taking place on July 3rd, 9 p.m. Do not miss out. Guys, you have to be watching my videos because most of my questions are going to be coming from my videos. So you have to watch my videos, like previous videos and videos from like 4 to 5 months ago. You have to watch those videos, guys, because you never know which video I'm going to pull a question from. And I'm also going to be having a spin-off game in the end of the competition. But with this spin-off game, guys, I'm going to be giving away phone credits. And let me tell you about these wonderful prizes. Okay, so for my Grand LS, guys, I have 3 prizes. Alright, first I have 1 monetized channel. Then I have 4,000 watch hours. But let me explain that to you, because with the 4,000 watch hours, I want to give one person 2,000 watch hours. So that 4,000 watch hours, I will split it in 2, so 2 persons will have a chance to win some WH. Next prize, guys, that I'm going to be giving away is 1,000 bananas. Did you hear me? I said 1,000 bananas. Yes, and you don't want to miss out on all these great prizes and surprises. Don't miss it. Mark the date on your calendar, July 3rd, 9 p.m. Okay, guys, and yes, one more thing. Anyone that can guess my age correct, and I'm including my birth month, the year, and if you can get that correct, I am going to have a wonderful gift for that person who gets it correctly. Okay, guys, be kind to yourselves so you can be kind to others. Love upon yourself so you can show love to each and everyone. Treat everyone, guys, the same way how you would want that person to treat you or anyone else to treat you. Always show kindness. Always show kindness. Always show love, because it goes a very long way. One team, one people, one family, and of course, one God. Yes, guys, I love you all, and I thank you all so much for all the wonderful love and support that you guys have been giving me. I appreciate it so much. To all of my new family members, oh my God, my Philippine family members, oh my God, I couldn't have asked for better. God bless you guys abundantly. I love you guys so much. Ryan's vlog, love you. Blessings to you, my friend Cheryl Alastra. Blessings to you, my sweetheart. Love you so much, pretty girl. Miss Jai Kuya Eddie. Those are my power couple. Blessings to you also, Atmel. Love you. Ellen, love you. Rose, love you. Katakam, oh my God, blessings to you, my friend. And my bestie, love you, bestie. Love you, bestie. To all my Philippine friends and families, I love you guys so much, and I want the best for each and every one of you. To all my Jamaicans, oh my God, all my Jamaicans, love you guys so much, and thank you guys for all the support, all the love that you have been showing Carla. I thank you guys so much for it, and I love you all. Guys, remember, don't forget the date, you know, mark it down and remember to watch the videos. Alright, videos 4 to 5 months ago and previous videos. Watch the videos, guys, watch them. And I'm also, because you know I love to do the general knowledge questions, so I'm gonna throw it in there also. So come prepared, come with your brain because I'm going to be asking some general knowledge questions, and I might do a little riddle me this, riddle me that, you know, just to spice it up a little bit more. You already know how it goes. Guys, if you're still here with me in this video and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? Come on, hit that subscription button, touch the post notification bell, guys, so that you will always get an alert when I upload a new video or if I'm doing a live stream. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend and to tell another friend. And guys, don't forget, feel free to join my membership. You see it on the channel. Feel free to become a part of Carla's Kitchen, because when you support my channel, you are helping Carla to help others, and you know I love to help. Alright guys, so feel free to join the membership so you can have access to a lot of perks and a lot of great benefits, guys. Thank you guys so much again. Remember to share me out. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Yes guys, walk good, be good, do good, and good will always follow you. I'm gonna see you again, guys, in another video. Bye guys, bye.